Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhome's Devon branch on another beautiful, very late May 2026 day, and today is the Saturday of the Torbay Air Show, which traditionally means we're a little bit quiet, but we've sold a van this morning, so we're happy with that. And so now's the opportunity to come out on the forecourt and do some videos of some of our freshly arrived vans. And this one came in yesterday in part exchange. It's a van that we sold new, and it's a 2024 Chausson Titanium Ultimate 640. So Chausson, France's biggest motorhome manufacturer, part of the Trigano group. 640, our bestseller for many years. So it means we get a fair few back in part exchange, and this one's a really good one. So it's early 2024 registered, 2024 model Chausson Titanium Ultimate 640, which arguably is as good as the Chausson 640 ever got. So we haven't done the window sheet yet, but this one's going to be 65,995. Internet price checked it, stacks up at that. Ford Transit base, 6.99 metres long with a massive king size drop down double bed to the front. 4 berth, but probably better as 2 with occasional guests. Based on the Transit, this one's a 2 litre 170 horsepower 6-speed automatic gearbox. Walk around the outside, so we've got front fog lights, front sensors maybe, not sure about that. 16-inch alloys, electrically heated, electrically adjustable manual fold wing mirrors. Coloured sides, white cab, external shower, flue for your Truma gas and electric, water heater, mains hookup. There's 2 leisure batteries and a large solar panel. In here, it's locked at the moment, is a service hatch, and you've got on this side, you've got your electrics with your trips, your fuse boxes. And on that side, excuse me snuffling, I've got hay fever, is your water tank fill up and drain down point. To the rear, we've got a full height ski locker, ideal for giraffes, guns, fishing rods, things like that, or indeed skis. Have a look at the garage as well from the other side, but it's a massive garage, and on this side you can fold up those shelves and it goes all the way top to bottom. We'll have a look at the rest of the garage down the other side. 9,991 miles from new. 6.99 metres long, 2.35 wide and about 2.9 tall, which gives it plenty of headroom to fit the drop down bed in. So garage to the back, this is your full size garage door. Front lower double bed infill cushions, access into the garage from the van. Also comes with some silver insulating screens, full carpets, and plug sockets, mains, and 12 volt for the garage. Previous owners put some hooks in, which isn't a bad idea. Toilet cassette locker, gas barbecue point, flue for your big 3-way auto energy selecting fridge freezer, and gas bottle access for 1, 6 or 11 kilo gas bottle. Got TVS sticker on it. It'll probably have a tracker on board. It's got an alarm, probably got a Cat 5 tracker as well. Cab specs, so the Titanium Ultimate just had everything as standard. So 6-speed automatic standard, the 170 brake, not the 130 brake engine, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, cab air conditioning, and the Pioneer Apple CarPlay double DIN Bluetooth DAB stereo system with the reversing camera monitor. Full cab blinds. This one's got an alarm and a mobiliser as well. It's probably got a tracker. Handbrake's always in the down position, allowing you to swivel your seats over the top of it. So jumping inside, centrally locked wide habitation door, and we've got a big, comfortable, spacious lounge. It's a king size drop down bed. So we'll jump in and put that down, but what you get is loads and loads of space. So big comfortable twin sofas, both of those will flip up into forward facing agouti. Very comfortable, very large Isofix equipped seats. Table is electronically height adjustable, and then above it is your king size bed. So come bedtime, put your table down electronically. You can leave it down if you want. I need to get it down to that sort of level. You can fold that out if it's spun around and make a double bed downstairs, but your master bed is up here. So you can stop it halfway and have double bed bunk beds. But if it's just the two of you, I won't drop it down all the way because this thing's in the way, but if it's just the two of you, you can drop it all the way down to seating level, and look at the size of that bed. It's absolutely huge. So yeah, 5 foot wide, 6'4", 6'6" long. You've got lights up there, reading lights, shelves, shelving up there. So when it's time to get up in the morning, hop out of bed, put your pillows in your large rear storage locker or over the cab, and press a button and up she goes. This is 12 volt, runs from your leisure batteries. Remember, you've got 200 amp hour leisure batteries with this one. And then we'll get all the way back up to the top there. Lovely lighting. Put the table back up, shall we? So yeah, no sort of effort at all, and it gives you all this massive amount of floor space. Big side windows either side with some cosmetic net curtainry going on, blinds and fly screens. Twin twibbly cab seats, obviously. Good kitchen, plenty of worktop, flip up worktop there. 3 high level cupboards, oven and grill combination with 2 gas burners and 1 mains electric. It's in lovely condition, this van. It's one owner from new. We sold it to the only owner. They've had a few vans off of us and they've kept it beautifully. So just under 10,000 miles. Fly screen door, light up mirror surround. Hello. Above there is a very simple to use CBE control panel. It just has a master on off, a lights on off, which you also need to put on to make your bed work, water pump on off, awning light, and then gauges for your fresh and waste water. Heating comes from Webasto. Chausson went diesel heating many years ago and moved away from gas, which is way better. So it uses the diesel from your fuel tank, uses a tiny amount, and just drops out onto a heater matrix and creates a large amount of heat. It's very good. I've got it in my van. I would want it on every van ever more. So really good kitchen storage. 3-way fridge freezer with automatic energy selecting, runs off gas if you're not hooked up, means if you are hooked up, 12 volt from the engine when you're driving. It's got travel catch on it at the minute. All you need to do is turn it on and off, basically. Incredibly easy and absolutely immaculate. We've not cleaned this van. Excuse the snuffles. Digital TV aerial up there. Bracket comes out, spins around. For your TV, you'll get a 21.5 inch Avtex on there. It was only 7 meters this, but yeah, it's got so much room. Shower is massive, huge double-sized separate shower with a hanging rail and lights and a skylight for ventilation. Hello. Across from there, countersunk sink, opening window for ventilation. You've got 2 skylight in here as well. Really nice lighting. Toilet, heater vent, access to the garage, and then beneath the mirrored doors you've got an absolutely gargantuan storage area. Drawers pull out either side, hanging rail up top, and then a full gallery of storage. Some people like to carry a little microwave back there, and then when they take it out, put it on the side of the kitchen, use it there, or your air fryer can do that. Shoe storage, and again, just come in. It is perfect. Wow. Dang near perfect anyway. If not, I can't see anything wrong with it. It's a lovely van, and it's in stock now at Highbridge Motorhome's Devon branch at 65,995. So it is the Chausson Titanium Ultimate 640. It's 2024 on a 73 plate. It's registered like January 24, something like that. If you're interested, give us a call. I'm on 626 832 792. Drop us a text or WhatsApp to the mobile 07432 662 558. More than welcome to drop me an email direct if you like to jw4@highbridgecaravan.co.uk. Check the highbridgecaravan.co.uk website. Do check before you travel to view a van to make sure it is still available, because they do sell quick. Or come and see us. Newton Abbot, Devon, just between Exeter and Plymouth on the South Devon Expressway, the A38M. Thank you very much. Goodbye.